So what do you get when you take 1/4 to the 6th power? It's probably easy to think about it like this. Take 1 to the 6th power over 4 to the 6th power. That's the same thing. If we think about it, we're just taking 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4. That's 1/4 to the 6th power. So 1 times 1 and so on. That's just going to give us that 1 to the 6th, and 1 to the 6th power. It's just 1 times 1 like that. We'll just call that 1. And 4 to the 6th. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 to the 6th. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, that's 64. 64 times 4, 256. 256 times 4, 1,024. And then 1,024 times 4, we get 4,096. That escalated quickly. So 1/4 to the 6th power is 1 over 4,096. And it makes sense this is really small because we're taking a fraction of a fraction of a fraction and so on. This should be a small number. That's how you figure out 1/4 to the 6th power. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.